Hello everybody! Good morning! Welcome to Pinoy Girl Channel! Time check is already 9 a.m. na pala dito at may pasok pa ako ng 10 a.m. Kaya todo balot na yung buhok ko guys dahil basa pa. Dahil nga may pasok si Pinoy Girl. So konti, nagmi-makeup lang tayo konti, no? Kasi para naman hindi tayo masyadong dugyot doon sa trabahoan. Ako talaga every time na papasok 'no, hindi ako nagme-makeup 'no, naglalagay lang ako sa mukha ng itong protection sa aking sarili kasi mainit sa kusina. So nilalagyan ko lang yung mukha ko guys, baka masunog nga 'no, kasi kapag nagtatrabaho ka sa kusina ay mainit talaga. Pero minsan yung ibang followers sinasabi, "Ang dugyot, ang rosyang ni Pinegar, okay lang yun at least nasa trabahuan tayo." Hindi naman kailangan natin inarte-arte sa mukha, Diyos ko. Ganito ang buhay ko guys, every time nagigising, kapag may work ako, maaga talaga akong gumising, no? Dahil maliligo pa tayo, maglalagay pa tayo sa mukha, ang dami pa. Hirap kaya maging babae. Ang trabaho ko kasi ay nasa kusina na ako, hindi katulad noon na sa bakery nagkakahira lang ako. Ngayon ay nasa kusina na all around. Siyempre mainit naman kapag sa restaurant at sobrang busy. So ang dami mo talagang gagawin doon. May nag-message kasi sa akin, "Pinay girl, mag-makeup ka naman kapag papasok ka sa trabaho." Para akong nabigla, bakit ako magme-makeup? Nasa kusina ako, hindi kailangan maging maganda ka do'n, mainit nga sa pinagtatrabahuan ko. Maglalagay lang tayo ng proteksyon sa sarili or sa mukha natin guys, kasi nga mainit. Siyempre alagaan din natin yung mukha natin, kapag masira wala na, mas lalong papangit tayo. So yun lang, dito sa Amerika ay walang pakialaman yung mga tao. Kahit anong suot mo, kahit anong dumi mo, hindi ka nila pinagtatawanan, hindi ka nila dinidiscriminate sa atin kapag madumi ka, kapag ganyan ang mukha mo, parang ayaw nila sa'yo. Dito kasi walang pakialaman, kahit madumi ka pa, pupunta ka ng supermarket, ay wala talagang pakialam sila sa'yo. Sa atin lang naman yung makikita nila madumi ka, anong trabaho mo, parang nakabatay din yung respeto nila sa'yo kung anong posisyon ka, kung marumi ka, or maganda ang trabaho mo. Sa atin kasi nakabatay yung posisyon at ano ang trabaho mo, yun din ang ibibigay na respeto nila sa'yo. Dito kasi hindi sila nagmamatter, kahit anumang posisyon ka ay nagre-respetuhan po talaga dito. Yun lang guys ang nilagay ko sa aking mukha, no? Since papasok tayo sa work, kailangan natin maglagay ng protection. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-makeup. Diyos ko, nasa kusina tayo. Sino pang papagandahan natin doon? Kung pangit ka talaga, pangit. Yan po talaga ang katotohanan. Hindi na mababago yon. Today's video guys, ang gagawin ko mamaya, no, bago ako pasok sa work, nais kong sabihin muna sa inyo ay ipaprank ko po yung husband ko. Tamang-tama mamaya ay ipipick up niya ako after sa trabaho at magdrama-dramahan ako na may nangyari, gusto ko nang umuwi sa Pilipinas at iiwan ko na siya. Yun ang aking ipaprank sa kanya mamaya. At titingnan po natin kung ano ang magiging reaction niya, no? Parang natatakot akong gawin ito guys dahil napakaseryoso talaga ng husband ko. Kaya abangan niyo mamaya ang aking sasabihin sa kanya para maniwala siya. Titingnan ko ano ang maging reaction niya, no? Kung pauwiin niya ba ako or sasabihin niya, okay, uwi ka na lang. Hindi. Masasaktan din ako dahil sa kung sasabihin niya, okay, okay, ano kaya, okay, ano kaya ang sasabihin niya no kapag sabihin ko na uuwi na ako ng Pilipinas at parang masasaktan ako kung ano ang maririnig ko. Ano kaya ang sasabihin niya no kapag sabihin ko na uuwi na lang ako ng Pilipinas? Baka sabihin niya, okay, uwi ka na lang kasi kung yun ang mas maganda at ikakasaya mo. Guys. Pero hindi yan, prank lang naman ito at titingnan lang natin kung ano ang reaction niya. Kaya guys, abangan niyo mamaya after ko ng trabaho. Kaya moving forward tayo, papakita ko agad dahil alam ko susunduin ako ng husband ko. Kaya let's go, work po muna. Hello, we're back. Grabe yung mukha mo guys, sobrang pagod. Napakainit sa kusina. Actually, break time ko nga pala, no? And hinaan ko lang yung boses ko. Baka marinig ako ng kasamahan ko sa loob. Ma-disturb ko sila. Ngayon, malapit ng uwian. Kaya, ready ko na ang self ko dahil si Habi ay on the way na para i-pick up niya ako sa trabahoan. Kaya iniisip ko na ngayon kung ano ang sasabihin ko para maniwala siya. Kaya abangan na lang natin, no? Baka sabihin niya na, mag-impake ka na, uwi ka na agad kung gusto mo. Yun talaga ang naiisip ko, guys. Ito, gagawin ko lang ito. Pranking lang naman ito. Huwag niyo seryosohin na. Pero yung husband ko, seryoso talaga pagdating grabe. Kaya guys, abangan na lang natin. Punta na tayo ng sasakyan, guys. Dito na yung husband ko. Honey, open the door for me. Hello.
How you doing?
I'm not good.
It's hard to open the door when you're the driver and the door is the opposite side.
Okay.
I'd have to get out of the vehicle and go that way.
How are you?
Great. How about you?
No, I'm not okay.
What happened?
I'm not really okay. I'm so tired and
Tired.
Yeah, so tired. And now, honey,
Yeah.
I'm not okay.
Why not?
I don't know.
You're working, just like me.
But this is serious. I'm not okay.
Why not?
Now I have
Oh.
something to tell you. Let me finish this.
Okay.
Okay? Because I'm not really okay. Now you listen. Don't laugh at me when I'm talking. Just listen and let me finish.
I'm listening. I'm always listening.
You ready? I'm
Yeah,
going to
yeah,
tell
listen.
you this. Okay? What I wanna say is I wanna go home to the Philippines and to live there. Do you understand? I said I wanna go home to the
What-
Philippines and
what's
to live there because I can't take it anymore here.
Why not? You married
Because-
me. You came here. This was your dream.
No, yeah, I married you. You're still my husband, but what I want is I want to go home and to live it there because I miss my family and I miss my son. I can't take it anymore here. I already sad here.
But the video I have, you were laughing last night.
No, I was laughing last night. Doesn't mean it's gonna change my mind.
You were laughing when you got in the car.
No, I did not laugh. I said
You
I
were
laugh
smiling.
because you're laughing me. But this is serious.
Okay.
So what can you say about it?
There's decisions to make in life, and be happy with the decisions you make.
Yeah, I will.
But God, I believe in God. I go to church. Do I do everything by the Bible? No, I do not. Am I trying my best to do everything by the Bible? Yes, I do. That's how I was raised. And you know what? The Bible has steered me
I
in different
know, but
directions
I
that
wanna
I'm going to
say
preach
as-
about the Bible to my and what it's done for me.
I know.
I'm not a preacher. I love the church I go to, Greater Joy on 56th Street.
But if I
in
will-
Tacoma, guys. Come on down. Come to
Okay,
church with
but
me.
if I will
Hallelujah.
go back home, you still love me?
Yeah, I fell in love with you, right?
So
But then the
even if
support's
I'm
gonna-
not live here,
Now, are you gonna? Can I trust you? Are you gonna go looking for some other guy there because you are Filipino and you have a hard time adjusting to American culture?
that's not what I mean. I want to live there, be my son and my family. It's not
Right.
gonna go.
But then you
to
don't
look
want to
for
start a
the
family
guy.
here. You're supposed to start
Why
a family here.
Why are you thinking that way? That I'm looking
Because
for
you
other
want the drama.
drama. This is
Yes,
not drama.
yes. Filipinos love drama. This
This
is
is
why.
not
This is why
drama.
my wife is doing this for drama. I'm just gonna dislike this video. If I see this video on the internet, dislike. You don't accept your new home, and I can be okay with that. There's too many differences there than he. Girl I married is really close to my age, but we think really differently because we come from two different cultures.
Who's that girl?
That girl I'm married. Yes, I'm a married man, honey. Honey, I'm a married
If I
man.
will go back home, you're still a married man, but you're single. You have no wife anymore.
Of course, I got papers to prove it.
Yeah, papers is trash only.
No,
Can
you
throw
lying.
away anytime.
No, it's on record.
Yeah, it's a
I throw it away, but then I go to the city county building and they give me another one. Here you go, Jason. What are you doing? Throwing those pieces of paper away. Here's another copy.
You can lie. Yeah, I'm single.
I can lie.
You can
But
lie.
what did I mention? I mentioned the Bible. I'm trying to be a better man. I go by the Bible. I go to church on Sundays to confess my sins for all the bad things I did this week. God forgive me. I'm trying, God. I hope you hear me. I love you. You're the man.
You don't love me.
I don't love you. I think you just want more drama. Like last night.
But honey,
Drama.
this is all Frank.
Yeah, see? Drama. That's what she wanted.
This is all Frank. See, I'm testing you. Pauwi na kami ni Javi, guys. Ngayon, yung husband ko ay parang nawala sa mood kasi nagdadrama daw ako. Ganyan po talaga siya kapag ipaprank ko. Alam niya na nagdadrama na naman kasi
Queen of drama. She likes the drama, guys.
okay,
Don't forget.
I am the queen of drama. Yun ang sinasabi niya. Alam niyo po talaga kapag nagdadrama ako dahil always niyang sinasabi sa akin, ako ang queen of drama. Kaya kapag maipaprank ako, parang alam niya na drama lang to. Pero yung mukha niya, parang sobrang seryoso na ayaw na magsalita. Kasi nga, ayaw niya na mga ganyan. Ako lang naman ang sobrang kulit. Kaya ito na, pauwi na nga kami. And nagtatanong na kung anong dinner namin. Ano kayong mas magandang dinner, no? Good pa yung mukha ko. Galing pa sa trabaho. Let's go home, Han.
Yep, we're home.
We're home. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching us. See you next time in our video.